Welcome back, guys. It's next day. We have Cheesy over here right now helping me. We have all the wiring done on Klaus. We got oil and coolant lines from the bottom hooked up. He's working on these nice top mount turbos right now. And we have like 4 or 5 lines left. Some O2 sensors. What else we got to do? Is that all we have to do?
Coolant.
Coolant? Yeah, probably want some coolant.
That was the last one.
That's fine. That's cool. Chad's got his own little side YouTube channel that he's doing right now called Cheesy Does It. You should go check it out.
I've only got 5 videos.
5 videos. So you just like doing woodworking and snowmobiling, kind of just like it's like
anything I do, Cheesy does it.
Yeah, it's like vlogging his life, kind of. So if you think he's interesting, watch him. I haven't seen one episode. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I've seen them all. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put it on time lapse while we do these couple things. It should hopefully be a quick one, and hopefully start up Klaus with no problems. Here we go. We got oil in, coolant in, all of our lines. Everything's hooked up except for the turbos down to the intercooler because we don't know what we need to do yet. So I'm going to just crank it first without fuel and spark to build up some oil pressure. That's the plan. We'll see how that goes. Alright, that should have built up.
Well, wait a second. Let me get these tightened up here.
I should have built up some oil pressure and some oil through it. We're back. We spent about an hour break because the Holly wouldn't turn on. We were troubleshooting. We ripped apart all my nice wiring, and we found out that in the bay.
Nice.
Nice wiring.
Yeah, shut up. It was nice wiring. It was up nice. And then we found out here in the bay when I guess it's probably Chad's fault when when we were doing something, we cut the trigger wire to the Holly. So now we did all that. So let's give it a try now. Almost. We're getting some fuel in there. Klaus is running, got up to temp. He's got oil pressure. There's no leaks. We got everything buttoned up right now. So we're gonna go for a test drive to Ernest because it's
cold.
It's about 15 degrees outside. It's absolutely freezing. I got all kinds of hats and gloves I'm putting on. But yeah, it's their peanut butter week. So we're gonna go for a little drive and see how Klaus goes. Klaus here, it is cold. It's got to be like
It is sick.
below.
We're in the team.
So you followed us up for what? Finley?
Always. Oh, 6 years for Finley. Old friends. Yeah.
That's
always
how you
follow
do
the
it.
car. Just love it.
Oh my God. But yeah, sorry to cut it short. I'm gonna get home.
Yeah, get home,
Get warm,
bud.
get the car in the
For
garage.
sure.
Good seeing you, brother. We'll see you.
Take care. Nice meeting you, man.
We're gonna get home.
I gotta hear you say.
Oh yeah. We're gonna get home. Get out of here, guys. We made it back to the shop. Klaus seems to be doing decent, I guess is what I'm gonna call it. He's running good. Running and driving is just fine. I think there might be an oil drip. The guys don't think there is. I think there is. And then also it's really weird. The oil pressure seems to be dropping a lot as we're driving more. Like it'll start off in the nice 50s and 60s. But as the oil temperature gets hot, it's dropping, goes 40, 30, 20, and then like down to the teens, which I don't like at all. So we're basically just going to look into it tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. We got all day to mess with it before the burnout on Saturday. We just got that, and then I got that lifter tick over here. It's one of these 2 cylinders. Fix that. We'll get a set of lifters for the one side, but that'll be after the burnout. Lifter tick won't destroy the motor, I hope. Famous last words. Should be fine just for Saturday. But that's the plan. Me and Shane are going to go through it, see if we can find out why we're dropping oil pressure so much. It's kind of annoying, but whatever. At least Klaus is running and driving. Drove around, had some fun. It's like now 8 degrees. It's absolutely freezing outside, but hey, it's fun. And for that, we're going to end it off here, and we'll probably see you guys in a day or two. We'll see you.